today, as you see by the title, tonight, I'm sorting my slime supplies, not my slime collection, my slime supplies. So I have glue. I have more glue, but I'm just using those three just to start off. Then when I get my shipping, because I ordered some glue, when I get the rest of my glue, I'll do part 2. So I went to the store today and got some items. I got all of these containers. Y'all about to see. I got all of these containers. Got this for activator, and I got some shaving cream. You idiots! And I gotta finish doing these. I gotta finish closing these because I do not want to lose no tops. Oh. It came 4 in a pack, and I got 3, so I have 12 in total. So when I count them, I should have 12 in total. These are all my containers, and yeah. So this is where I put my stuff in my bin. So this shoebox I don't need. I'm gonna put all these containers. So I got 3, 6, 7, 8. What it look like?
And this is the bowl that I make my slime in. This will be the activator. And my glue. And it's the bin I put all my stuff in. And I'm about to do that. It's gonna be speeded up like the last same episode, whatever. I mean not episode. The last video when I was putting this in. So yeah. Now look crazy. Just take this off.
Oops, guys, I'm done. I was gonna buy my own slime lotion, but I was like, no, just to save money. And I found one more container. I found it. I dropped it, and then so y'all will see the video right here or somewhere. Y'all see the video of what it actually looks like, and this will be, I think it will be separate because this is just where I created. Or I'm gonna just put these just to save space. I'm gonna put these in here. Yes, so see how when I'm done. Or it's gonna be speeded up. This is the final touch right here, but you already know it is ANJ Nation. If y'all didn't like this video, I don't care. Please share, like, comment, subscribe. If y'all did, please subscribe, comment, like, and share. See you in the next video. ANJ Nation. Peace.